Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can secure your CapCut projects, back up the projects to the CapCut space. So in here, for example, I don't want to lose a project. For example, this project's right here and I want to back it up. So what you need to do is just click on the three dots icon at under the projects that you want to bake up, and this will be show up. So to bake up, I can just upload it to space. So click on this upload to space option and select the space. I'm gonna just use this, click on select, and now CapCut will back up the draft. So to see the progress, you can go to the space options, and this is my CapCut projects that I want to back up before it's still uploading. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.